Yes, boss. How's it?
Proper, how's it?
Good. How the Supras doing?
Good.
Okay, so we'll have a look at the Supras in a bit. So today we're using the ghetto method. I don't know what's in there, but we want to remove, you call it what? Cloudiness? Carbon. He calls it carbon. So these things are made of plastic, and if they stay too long in the sunlight, they react and start causing this haze that you see here. This one has it the worst. So today we're going to see ModKings, JZKing show us how to remove the haziness. So if you want to do this at home, he'll tell us what we need to use at home. But if you're lazy like me, we'll put his name, number and Facebook page in the description below so that you can give him a call. Hopefully it doesn't rain, but yeah, stay tuned.
So basically what you start with is a 1500 grip, and then go to 2000, then sand it. The reason why we start with the lower grip, like a smoother, like a coarse paper, is to remove the carbon, and then a 2000 is to make it smooth, so that when the cream passes on it, it just becomes like a glass.
Alright, so the lights have been cleaned. If we go a little bit closer, you can see the clarity of the polish. So this is what the lights look like during the day. So you can see that there is a huge improvement on what they were before and what they are now. So if you're lazy like me to do the lights on your own, please look in the description below. We will put the number for ModKings, also link to his Facebook page, and you can go and meet up with him and have your lights cleaned and have them clear like this. His going charge starts from 300 kwacha, but if you show him that you've seen this video and that you're subscribed, he will start you from 150 kwacha. If you like videos like this, please comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, comment and share with your friends.
Hello, hey, wagwan. Ninshile chitikapa wagwan. Washimuri kenge wagwan. Katulipamo punkamo wagwan. Punkamo wagwan. Katulipamo wagwan. Ninshile chitikapa